Jinnah, the Muslim leader, holds fast to Pakistan, and it's reported that his maximum concessions were regarded by Congress as inadequate. At any rate, the fateful conference at Simla, following the preliminary work in Delhi, has ended in failure.
There are two major nations, the Hindus and Muslims. 100 millions of Muslims cannot be characterized as a minority.
इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, ये सारे का सारा देश था मेरा। टोटे टोटे कर दिए ज़ालिमों ने।
ये पाकिस्तानी बड़े सख्त जान होते हैं, अपने देश के खातिर अपनी जान तक दे देते हैं।